Flex Friday.
Yeah, baby, pump time.
Yeah,
Glory muscles.
Chase that
Glory
pump.
muscles.
Yeah.
Unleash the beast.
It's time to unleash the beast! We have to unleash the beast! No! 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 Wish me luck. You know what to do. Unleash the beast!
Later, boy. We're assembling the team. Let's go. The beast has been unleashed. Golly, Captain. I'll come help. Punisher, I've assembled the Revengers because the beast is on the loose.
I've been watching him non-stop on my surveillance cameras, and he's just making people flex and flex.
Goodness, he flexes so hard.
Captain, I've tracked the flex beast this way.
It seems to be his lair.
Let's get him.
We've got you, Flex Beast. It's time to surrender.
I will never surrender. I see you brought Shrek to this battle.
What?
The bulk season. Bulk Shrek. Whoa.
What happened? I can't stop flexing.
Everyone should flex this summer.
Oh, help us, Flex.
It's my goal to make everyone flex on Fridays. That starts now. Jumping jack, jumping jack, jumping jack. Thrust, thrust, thrust. Flex, 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 flex. Smile, smile.